but I wanted to show you also. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the little view backstage. A big shout out to all the people over there. It's amazing what they do. And we continue right away because the next speaker backstage is already ready. And you have seen her just, she was on my right side, so she's prepared. She will give you fireworks. So, but you know the rule, we never ever say hello to a new speaker when we're sitting down in our comfortable chair. So please everybody, stand up. All right, guys, so let me introduce her to you. She is from the beautiful country of Canada. Where are the Canadians? Show us some love here in the chat. We're all the Canadians. Awesome. She's a single mom. She has 3 kids. So she's a great family manager as well. And of course, she's very polite because she is from Canada, right? Canadians are just the most polite people in the world, but she is very, very successful in the industry. And I can't wait to hear her story. So please, everybody, give it up. I need to make sure that I have her because she has a double last name. Give it up for Jennifer Piper Kennedy.
Hi, everyone. So I want to ask you a question. How many of you are sitting here today and you're listening to these amazing speakers, and in your heart of hearts, you're thinking, I can't do that. I'm not that person. And maybe you're thinking, you know, I haven't even had my first customer yet. I haven't hit that level yet. And so you hear these people, and you're just having a bit of an internal struggle with that. So what I want you to do, I want you to imagine that maybe you would pay for your children's sports or dance without having stress. Maybe it's creating the best holiday season ever this year without having to put it on a credit card and stress. Maybe it's just travel. Maybe it's being able to be home. So I want you all to know that you are me. I was exactly you, and I would sit here and I would listen to these speakers, and I would think, oh, that's not me. I don't have a social media following. I live in Canada, right? And I was you. So my friends, my name is Jennifer Piper Kennedy. I live in Kamloops, BC, Canada, and I actually grew up in northern BC, like very north, where in the winter it would snow so much that you could actually jump off a rooftop into the snowbanks. We would have moose walk through town. Do you all know what moose are? And you know, we didn't even have fast food. To get to fast food, you would drive 2 hours away. So I'm a small town girl. Now, I have had some moderate success in this industry. I started with a party plan company, and I love this industry. But 4 years ago, my world basically was upturned. So 4 years ago, I was asked to get on a call, and I was told that my company was closing overnight, July 2017. I was a single mom. I have 3 boys. They're in high-level sports. All you sport parents, you know how much money. I had this mortgage. You know, my ex-husband had left us in a bit of a tough financial spot. I didn't have support. And so overnight, my business and my income was ripped away. So my friends, I am like you. 4 years ago, I started from zero. And so I'm here to share 3 things that took me and my amazing team from zero to actually creating 10x growth in my business and hitting the top level in my company. So are you ready? Give me some love in that chat. So you guys, number 1, go all in. And I know we hear that and you think, what does that actually mean? You guys, going all in means that you're in on the good days and the bad days. Going all in means that maybe you're working before your children are awake and you're working again when they go to bed. Your family cannot be both your why and your excuse. Going all in means that you're jumping in the deep end. You're not dipping your toe, but you're jumping in when you're not ready, when you don't know what you're doing. And you're figuring it out. You're getting messy. You're just doing the things. I look back at my company closing as the biggest gift I could have ever received because it forced me to go all in. So I ask you guys, how many of you are maybe struggling right now? You're struggling with difficulties with your business, with life. And so what I ask you is, are you using that as an excuse? Are you using that to fire you up and go all in? My friends, it is possible. Second thing, crack the code on duplication. I attended my first GoPro 3 years ago, probably to the date, and all I heard was Eric talking about systems, systems, systems. I literally ran home. On the plane, I started creating systems for my team. Now, I'm not an expert in, attracting influencers or big social, networkers, but what my gift is that I can create systems and duplication for everyone. My team is filled with moms, with grandmas, with people who work full-time, with people who don't have sales